Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a course that seriously caught my eye. Introduction to Occupational Health and Safety Professional Diploma. And guess what? You can actually get this course for free using the link in the description. Plus, you get a certificate upon completion. That's amazing value. So who is this course for? Basically, anyone who wants to boost their career in health and safety, or even just wants a better understanding of the field. We're talking health and safety managers, supervisors, our folks, engineers, even those working directly on the ground in construction or manufacturing. If you're in any of those roles, this course is a game changer. What problems does it solve? Well, it tackles the core principles of occupational health and safety in a very structured way. It helps you understand risk assessment, accident investigation, emergency response, all the crucial stuff. It also gives you a solid grounding in legal and regulatory frameworks, which is essential for anyone in this field. Let's face it, knowing the rules is half the battle. The course is structured in a really logical way, taking you from the fundamental principles all the way through to leadership and management in health and safety. There are practical exercises, case studies, and even project work, so it's not just theory. You're actually applying what you learn. What's great is that even if you're a complete beginner, some prior knowledge is helpful, but it's definitely designed to be accessible. It will help you advance your career, whether you're aiming for a promotion, a new job, or just want to feel more confident in your role. The instructor, Sarmad Yahya ASP, seems very experienced, and that confidence shines through. Overall, I highly recommend checking out this Introduction to Occupational Health and Safety Professional Diploma course. For a free course with a certificate, it's an incredible opportunity. Head to the description for enrollment details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews. I'll see you in the next one.